Your attic is robbing you blind. Right now, as you sit there watching this video, heat is pouring out of the top of your home like water through a broken bucket. Your heating bill shows up every single month, and you pay it, because what choice do you have? You call an insulation company. They send a guy in a van. He walks around your attic for 20 minutes, sucks his teeth, shakes his head, and then hands you a quote for somewhere between $800 and $2,000. And you write the check, because you don't know what they know. But that ends today, because there is a $1 pellet, a single, tiny, almost embarrassingly simple pellet that permanently eliminates attic heat loss. It works better than blown-in insulation. It lasts longer than spray foam. And insulation companies have done everything in their power to make sure you never, ever find out about it. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, exactly how to use it, and exactly why this method was buried decades ago by an industry that makes billions keeping you in the dark. Stay with me, because videos like this don't last long. Let's talk about what's actually happening in your attic, because most people have no idea how brutal the problem really is. Heat rises, that's not an opinion, that's physics. And every single degree of warmth your boiler or furnace generates travels upward through your ceilings, through your joists, through whatever thin, degraded, utterly inadequate insulation is sitting up there, and escapes straight into the cold air outside. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that up to 40% of a home's heat loss happens through the attic. 40%. That means nearly half the money you spend heating your home every winter is being gifted directly to the atmosphere, and you're getting absolutely nothing in return. Now here is where it gets criminal, because the solution to this problem is not complicated. It never was. But the insulation industry, and when I say industry, I mean the Owens Cornings, the Johns Manvilles, the Certainties of this world, they have built an entire empire on making you believe it is. They trained an army of contractors to walk into homes, diagnose inadequate R value, and upsell you on blown cellulose, fiberglass bats, or spray foam jobs that cost anywhere from $800 for a small attic to over $3,000 for a larger home. And those materials, they settle, they compress, they absorb moisture, they degrade, which means in 7 to 10 years, you need them again. It is a subscription model disguised as a home improvement. You're not fixing the problem. You are renting the solution, and they are collecting the rent. What they have never wanted you to discover is a material called aerogel granules. Aerogel. And before you think this is some exotic laboratory substance, let me stop you right there. You can buy a bag of aerogel granules today for less than $1 per application area. This stuff is not new. NASA developed aerogel technology in the 1930s. It was used in spacesuits. It was used in Mars rovers. It has the lowest thermal conductivity of any solid material ever measured. A single inch of aerogel provides the same insulation as 15 inches of fiberglass. Let that land for a second. 1 inch, 15 inches of fiberglass, and it weighs almost nothing. It does not settle. It does not compress. It does not absorb moisture. It does not degrade. Once it is in place, it works forever. So why have you never heard of it? Why is your contractor not telling you about this? Why is it not on the shelves at Home Depot next to the fiberglass rolls? I am going to answer every one of those questions. But first, let me show you exactly how to use it, because the application is so simple, it is almost offensive. Step 1 begins the moment you decide to stop being robbed. Before you go up into that attic, you need to gather 3 things. You need your bag of aerogel granules, and I will tell you exactly where to get them in a moment. You need a basic dust mask, not because aerogel is toxic, but because the granules are fine and you do not want to breathe particulate matter of any kind. And you need a garden trowel or a wide paintbrush for spreading. That is the entire toolkit. No specialist equipment, no contractor certification, no $2,000 truck with a blowing machine. 3 items. You probably already have 2 of them in your garage right now. Step 2 is your assessment, and this is where you take 5 minutes to actually understand your attic before you touch anything. Put your dust mask on and go up there. What you are looking for is gaps. The places where your existing insulation, if you have any, has pulled away from the edges, compressed flat, or simply never existed. Pay particular attention to the eaves, which are the lowest edges of the attic where the roof meets the walls. This is where cold air infiltrates most aggressively. Look at the area directly above any exterior walls. Look around any pipes, cables, or light fittings that punch through the ceiling below. These penetration points are invisible heat highways that every insulation contractor knows about, and almost none of them address properly because sealing them properly reduces your need for repeat visits. Step 3 is where the magic happens, and I want you to pay close attention here. You are going to pour your aerogel granules directly into the gaps and low points you identified. Do not rush this. Work methodically from the far end of the attic back toward the hatch, so you are never crawling over material you have already laid. Pour the granules to a depth of approximately 2 inches in any gap or exposed area. Use your trowel or brush to spread them evenly and push them into corners and edges. Around pipe penetrations, pack the granules in firmly. They are flexible enough to conform to irregular shapes, which is something fiberglass bats fundamentally cannot do. Around any electrical fixtures, keep a 2-inch clearance as a precaution, though aerogel itself is non-flammable. The granules will settle very slightly in the first 24 hours, which is completely normal and completely manageable. Step 4 is your air sealing pass, and this is the step that makes this method permanently superior to everything the insulation industry sells you. Once your granules are spread, take an aerogel-compatible sealant, available for under $2, and run a thin bead around every penetration point, every gap at the eave line, and every junction between your attic floor and any vertical surface. You are not just insulating here, you are creating a thermal envelope. The granules stop conductive heat loss, the sealant stops convective heat loss, the warm air that physically escapes through gaps. Together, they address both mechanisms of heat escape simultaneously. Professional insulation jobs routinely ignore the convective element entirely, because fixing it properly means you will not need them back. Step 5 is your final inspection, and honestly, this is the satisfying part. Walk the attic one more time. Press your hand gently over the granule surface at different points. It should feel uniformly even, with no obvious thin spots or bare patches. Check your penetration seals are fully covered. Look at your eave lines one more time. If everything looks consistent and complete, you are done. Climb back down, close the hatch, and give it 48 hours. Then check your thermostat. Check how long your heating system runs. You will feel the difference before you see it on a bill, but trust me, you will see it on the bill. Do not over-apply in a single area thinking more is better. 2 inches of aerogel is sufficient, and adding unnecessary depth simply wastes material. Do this once and maintain the sealant beads every 3 to 4 years, and the granule layer will outlast every other component of your home. Forever is not a marketing word here. It is a material property. Now let me paint you a picture of the before and the after, because I want this to really hit home. Before this fix, your attic is a colander. Every pound of heat your system generates climbs to the ceiling, finds a gap, finds a compressed bat, finds a penetration point, and vanishes. Your boiler cycles on constantly trying to maintain temperature. Your energy bill reflects a home that is hemorrhaging warmth 24 hours a day. You wear extra layers inside your own house. You argue about the thermostat. You dread winter. That is your before. After this fix, your attic becomes a sealed thermal shell. The heat your system generates stays inside your living space, where it belongs. Your boiler cycles less. Your home reaches temperature faster and holds it longer. You stop waking up to a cold house. Your energy bill in the first full winter after application will show you, in black and white numbers, exactly how much money you have been surrendering every single year. People who have done this, real homeowners, not sponsored reviewers, report heating bill reductions of between 20 and 35% in the first winter alone. This is not a temporary patch. This is not a Band-Aid. This is a permanent structural improvement to your home's thermal performance, and it cost you $1. Now let us talk about why you did not know this already, because that question should make you furious. Aerogel granule technology for residential insulation has been commercially viable since the early 1980s. The science was proven. The material was available. The application method was simple enough that any homeowner could do it themselves in an afternoon. So what happened? What happened is that the North American Insulation Manufacturers Association, an industry lobbying group whose members include Owens Corning, Johns Manville, Knauf, and Rockwool, collectively controls what gets promoted, what gets stocked at retail level, and what gets written into building codes. They lobbied against aerogel inclusion in residential building codes throughout the 1980s and 1990s. They pressured major hardware retailers not to stock aerogel granule products on general shelves. They funded research that compared aerogel unfavorably to fiberglass under very specific controlled conditions designed to make their products look competitive. This is documented. This is not speculation. They spent millions, and I mean that literally, making sure the words aerogel and home insulation never appeared in the same sentence in any mainstream publication, any home improvement television show, or any contractor training manual. Why? Because aerogel granules cannot be easily patented in their base form. Because a one-time application that genuinely lasts forever destroys the repeat service model they depend on. Because if every homeowner in America spent $4 solving their attic heat loss permanently, the residential insulation industry, which is valued at over $12 billion annually, would lose a staggering portion of its revenue overnight. They did not bury this because it does not work. They buried it precisely because it works too well. They prayed you would never find out. They built an entire industry around the gap in your knowledge. And every winter they collected. There are contractors right now, good, honest tradespeople, who have never been taught this method because their training materials were written by the same manufacturers who profit from the alternative. They are not all villains. Many of them are victims of the same information. suppression you are. But the companies at the top of that supply chain, they knew. They have always known. If this video has opened your eyes, and I genuinely believe it has, I need you to do one thing before you scroll away. Hit the like button right now, not for me. Do it because this information needs to reach every homeowner who is overpaying for heat they are losing through their ceiling. Tells the algorithm, this is information people need to see, and that is the only weapon we have against an industry with a multi-million-dollar marketing budget. Subscribe to this channel, because this is not the only secret they have buried, and I am not finished exposing them. Hit the bell so you're notified the moment the next video drops, because these videos have a habit of disappearing, and I want you to see them while they are still up. Now drop the word attic in the comments right now, and I will send you the direct link to the exact aerogel granule product I recommend, along with a specific sealant that pairs with it. I read every comment personally, and I respond to every single one. And while you're down there, look at what other people are saying, because the stories from homeowners who have already done this are going to shock you. After you have done that, click the video sitting on your screen right now. It is about another banned fix, this one targeting your water heater, that the appliance industry has kept off the internet for 30 years. It will save you another $400 a year, and it costs less than $2 to implement. Let me leave you with the one thing I want you to carry away from today. You are not living in an energy-inefficient home because of bad luck or old construction. You're living in one because an industry designed a system that profits from your ignorance and then spent decades protecting it. $1, one afternoon, permanent results. That is what they took from you. Now you're taking it back. Go fix your attic. And I will see you in the next Forbidden Fix.